Imagine you're conversing with a native German speaker, and you want to impress them with your advanced German vocabulary. Do you have the right words at your disposal? Today, we're going to delve into some advanced German vocabulary that will elevate your language skills and make you sound like a local. First, let's explore general vocabulary words. These words are often used in daily conversation, reading, and writing. For instance, der Wortschatz and das Vokabular both mean vocabulary. Die Redewendung is an idiom, and Die Umgangssprache is colloquial language, while Die Hochsprache stands for standard language. Die Ausdrucksweise is expression, Das Sprachniveau denotes language level, Das Fremdwort is a foreign word, and Das Synonym and Das Antonym are, as you might guess, synonym and antonym respectively. Next, we venture into the realm of emotions and feelings. These words will help you to express your feelings more accurately. For example, Die Verzweiflung means despair, Die Euphoria is euphoria, and Die Gelassenheit is serenity. Die Empathy is empathy, Die Enttäuschung is disappointment, Die Dankbarkeit is gratitude, Die Zufriedenheit is contentment, Die Begeisterung is enthusiasm, and Das Mitgefühl means compassion. In the social and cultural sphere, words like Die Vielfalt for diversity, Die Toleranz for tolerance, and Die Multiculturalität for multiculturalism are crucial. Others include Die Integration for integration, Die Tradition for tradition, Die Modern for modernity, Die Kulturhauptstadt for cultural capital, Das Weltkulturerbe for world heritage, Die Volksmusik for folk music, and Die Literaturgeschichte for literary history. In the world of science and technology, you might come across words such as Die Fortschritt for progress, Die Raumfahrt for space travel, Die Gentechnik for genetic engineering, Die Nanotechnology for nanotechnology, Die Künstliche Intelligenz for artificial intelligence, Die Quantenphysik for quantum physics, Die Robotik for robotics, Die Umwelttechnologie for environmental technology, Die Bioinformatik for bioinformatics, and Die Datenanalyse for data analysis. In politics and government, words like Die Demokratie for democracy, Die Diktator for dictatorship, Die Diplomatie for diplomacy, Die Menschenrechte for human rights, Die Wahlbeteiligung for voter turnout, Die Regierungsbildung for government formation, Die Parteienlandschaft for party landscape, Die Innenpolitik for domestic policy, Die Außenpolitik for foreign policy, and Der Staatsbürger for citizen are often used. In the realm of business and economy, Die Wirtschaftslage is the economic situation, Die Unternehmensführung is corporate management, Die Marktforschung is market research, Die Wettbewerbsfähigkeit is competitiveness, Die Börsenentwicklung is stock market performance, Die Handelsbeziehungen are trade relations, Die Währungsunion is a currency union, Die Wirtschaftspolitik is economic policy, Die Arbeitslosenquote is the unemployment rate, and Die Finanzkrise is a financial crisis. In the field of art and entertainment, you might hear Die Bildhauerei for sculpture, Die Malerei for painting, Die Theateraufführung for theater performance, Die Ausstellung for exhibition, Die Opernhaus for opera house, Die Kunstgalerie for art gallery, Das Filmfestival for film festival, Die Literaturverfilmung for film adaptation of a book, Die Bühnenbildner for set designer, and Der Schriftsteller for writer. Finally, for travel and tourism, terms like Die Reiseziele for travel destinations, Die Unterkunft for accommodation, Die Rundreise for round trip, Der Reiseveranstalter for tour operator, Die Sehenswürdigkeit for tourist attraction, Die Reisepasskontrolle for passport control, Die Reiseversicherung for travel insurance, Das Reisebüro for travel agency, and Der Reisebericht for travel report are often used. In conclusion, expanding your German vocabulary is crucial to becoming proficient in the language. It allows for more effective communication, understanding, and expression of thoughts and ideas. Plus, it's always impressive to showcase your linguistic prowess. So, keep practicing these words and phrases, and soon you'll be conversing like a native German speaker. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress. Bis zum nächsten Mal.